What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So boy my people, where the Lion Man and Real Dawg started yesterday, me no feel like say them I go done it for this year. Because Dummy, TJ, everybody a clap back and a respond. Able boss. You see me I say so it's a bunch of respond and clap back my people. You see me, and also Real Dawg a clap back too. The Lion Man and Real Dawg link up again. So it's a bunch of things I have to share my people. And we have Jakes, the type of life where Rosalie do, where Rosalie never did want the G to live my people. The man a live up. You see me I say the man a full joy, him earnings, and me love to see that my people. You see it because I don't like say Jakes no put in work. Him help carry off Rosalie also because the viral video Jakes more rice. You see me I say that one they did you know what I mean, propel Rosalie. You see me? So who never know Rosalie when that go viral know Rosalie. And you see that video them people, that video there, I wanna video them where or that clip there. I one of the reasons why Jakes could have left from out of Rosalie place and have a TikTok, you know what I mean, following, cause that go viral. Everybody want to know who's this Jakes who never know him, you know? So my people, me could just get in it.
Too wicked and fucking evil. No, me
Annie, where you mean we done? Annie, wait, no, Annie. What you mean we done? A court session mean a darling.
Jaden, 2026, me and you would have never crossed back path, and I would never call your name, I promise that you're an evil wicked boy.
Annie, you said it's already, I will turn back friend already. So no bother with it.
Have a good morning, Jay.
Where you go?
Big up yourself.
Let it out,
Where you have?
Let it out, man. Let it out. Where you vex for?
Jaden, you hate me. You're not like a bone in a me. And you still bring me down on the internet no matter what.
If me bring you down, you know bring me down back.
What me gonna do that for every day, sir? Every day you know one with the pan bring down every day.
Every day, darling. Every day.
So you want to live?
I saw me want to live with you peaceful and nice and then we cause answer.
So that the type of life that you want?
Yes, that's what me know say you love me for true.
Yo, listen to me, old hypocrite. What go on with the relationship? What go on with the brand new relationship?
Annie, it'll go on nice. Me I tell her, why, Annie, why? Nice.
Nah, like she look good. Me not lie to you.
She look very good. She probably the prettiest girl on TikTok.
Don't do that. Just forever, thank you, baby. Don't do that. But she look good.
So who else did I take over that throne? I know you.
You're not easy, Jaden. Me look good and tan good. Don't do that.
Annie, me don't know why you keep on a lie to yourself, you know, but it's okay. It's okay to lie to yourself because let me tell you that, Annie. Everybody have confidence in anything what them doing, but me couldn't lie to myself. So Annie, you look good in a darling, but you don't look that good like how you said.
Jaden, let me tell you something. You see, self-confidence is one of the best. You hear me?
But you should not. But the Bible said, do not lie upon to yourself because your days will be numbered.
So Jaden, you cute?
Mid cute.
Who tell you that?
Annie, wait if I want to tell.
What?
Wait if I want to tell.
Rate from 1 to 10, to be honest, you get a 7. My side, help me catch your speed. As a 7 you get.
So you're not there with me, Annie?
No?
How do me?
Who do that with you?
So how do me?
You chat too much.
Me chat too much. No, you ever after a relationship if
let me catch your speed. Let me catch your speed, guys. My side 3. My side. Help me catch your speed, chat.
Annie, so Anna single now?
Mom, me don't know. You ever gonna ask Anna that?
So can I after this, please?
No, the one of them afraid of you. Every one of them are run from you.
How many do them now?
Because you always attract them and drag we down. Alright, be serious.
Yeah.
Be serious. So to how much you hear the Ants family, you always try to be little we. And we talk serious that now, we are reason. You see me? You see you're one of the person, me I tell you the truth, when I love on TikTok, when I excited for, when I look up to and you're young. But you know, you continue to try to put down a family, you get me? You try to make it look like say we're done, we're literate, we're not no sense. You get what me I say? So why you keep on a deal with them type of way there? First you sell me
not
out.
Literate, not
listen
literate.
Me no man, you
illiterate.
Sell me out.
Illiterate, not literate.
Yeah, illiterate.
Yeah,
you sell me out. You push me out of the friendship for share. You see me? Brother, what wrong with you?
Me no push, because I come to you and tell you, say, don't buy the car that you buy. You don't listen to me.
You come back again about the car. Me don't make a mistake about the car already.
That's a big mistake. That's a big mistake. Well, you could have your money. Pay you.
Chat, help me push up a score.
Oh, so
you're too disrespectful.
Oh,
you know, you never disrespect share them type of way there. Me never see I disrespect certain people them type of way, but I'm me alone. You this about me stink, my mouth stink. All of them stuff they blow.
But I can't show them they really carry themselves some type of way and them go on some type of way, that's why.
So me carry myself some type of way?
Yeah, you can't really help it still, Annie, but me have to just understand, you see.
What you mean by me can't help it? So if my mouth this stink, why you didn't yam from me? Why you didn't yam from me?
Yeah, go like you want water, make you rice.
Eh?
Yeah,
no, but
like...
me not gonna yam from a person if their mouth stink.
But Annie,
she no better than me. She put on a false body. Me natural. When you mouth me did stink, why you never did tell me?
Annie, because me never want hurt, me never see a stink. Annie, your mouth no stink.
So why you always tell me say, why you always trouble me say my mouth stink?
I know me tell you say your mouth stink, darling.
Jaden, what do you when a boy go kiss me? Why do you boy kiss me? You fuck around me. Why do you again when time me in the kitchen with my bestie? You fuck around me again, but my mouth stink like a shit.
But Annie, I your best friend give her for a reaction make you look like say that go on. So you see it. So I know me. Annie, me watch the video. Annie, watch the video. I know me. A police come that way most thing. You see it. Everybody just run with it, darling.
Yeah, and you run with it too. Alright, Mr. Pussyhole.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And you see, what Annie did want here long time, yeah. Say her mouth no stink. You see me I say, and the lion man come give her something where me feel like say she don't realize what him do when him say this right now. You see me? So, you know what I mean? Although my people, TikTok will not take everything over TikTok serious. So, and it maybe look like somebody we have a little breath problem. You see me? Because them say she have a true gum and them something there. But the lion man say nothing no go so. So, tell me what you think, my people. If him just a say it or no feel like say boy, our mouth stink for real. We could watch some more.
Everything good.
And you have to take trolling.
Like, who want win one game from him? Yeah, man, I want to look a wicked boy, but everything good, man.
And you have to take trolling. Me alone, me no good pan up here now. Tell me, Annie.
Come, I try win one game from you night, man, before me left. Me feel good. I feel good.
Me not think I can win.
You can't tell me nothing. Me will win that game, Jack.
No, sir.
Jack, double tap team.
Me not think you can win this, Annie.
You can't tell me nothing. Me can't win. Jaden, hear me I say to you no. Me like that one day for you. Me like that girl there for you, alright? Me I left you with that. Treat her right. I make sure say thing work out. I make sure say you go out on date and thing. Alright? Stop hook up in the house alone. No matter day in the house alone.
No, we go out on them thing then, Annie. We go out on them thing then, you see. But money I run low right now, so me have to stick to what me know. To TikTok. Right now money I run low and you see it and no woman no wanna broke man.
No, that's true. That's true. Chat, so everybody, double tap team. We are winning.
You are your careless baby mother match. Go back to your baby mother where you leak out your sperments in her.
You know, no blood class. You know, no sense. You know, no sense. Yeah, I eat that boy. Man, a blood clot. Man, with the blood clot, idiot pussy hole. Think you have blood clot sense. You have bumble ass clot sense. Give me much more blood clot, bumble ass clot, man. Me and Mackerel match. You know, no bumble ass clot sense, eh? How could you say that? What wrong with you? Donia. Y'all hear me?
Come one match, talk where you talking, you have force, you have 4 and
You can't
5
go
minutes.
win. You not got blood clot win. I'm gonna tell you this half from heart. As a big bro to a small brother, you know me rated to the max. You had the blood clot HR for over here. Listen me out. We want to see back you and Candy together. Like two
As in,
family.
as in,
Damn!
only together you gonna see apart together. I must see this say you want we do apart to blood clot together. You think I saw this thing go? Gotta be strong in this, have good strong mindset. Not too weak to Babylon.
Chat, triple chat.
Zuma, focus on yourself and your goals and where you want to reach in your life. Don't worry about people.
Don't know. Let me tell you straight. You're cuff.
That blood clot Rosalie over here for our day. Every minute Rosalie, I follow. You not send me nothing. You just come over here for a laugh now.
Don't let me a cuff.
Well, me I know that. Me I know cruff. Well, me I know cruff. Me I know cruff. Me I know cruff. You have to bust out a certain thing in our life.
Alright, done. Me I'm
Okay, so now nothing more to say.
don't know you come off for that, no, bro. You tell me say, you're moving right along, you move. Wow, what the problem? Don't make up on a date, you know, the 1st of January, me and Markle. 70
Happy
people,
for
never
you.
want to come see. Never
Happy
say,
for you.
chat, 70 that would that was. So if you know me and Markle match for you, I want you man to pop the balloon. I fuck your mother and pop the balloon. Your mother suck my cocky right front of Rolly. As the balloon pow, I bust your mother mouth. Chat, 17 rows! 17 worthless dirty blood clot people, rows! How would the bumble ass clot this? Chat, rows! Man, 8 rows! Chat, rows. Chat, rows by diamond chain and get bed set, rows by diamond chain and get bed set, rows by diamond.
Well, anybody wants to say me wicked or whatsoever, that a phone up, that what uno say, and that what me say, and I know what God say. You understand? So me no know what now come after. Me no know what now go reach with it. But when you reach what now reach with it, you no tell me. Cause me not go with you know where to go. So when you reach where to go, you no tell me. Me no know. You have one step in a life called love, you know. Love is one powerful sitting, you know. But enough people don't understand it. You see, if you make Seka love, you know, do the right thing them in a life, you're going to end up either mad again, stress.
People, me can't say this. I'm want to tell me if me attack foolish. See, you see when you're young, love is foolish. Love a foolish. Love a distraction. Love and something where you have to play with when you're young. You see when you're old, you know, like up in a age, and then where they and you live with somebody for a while. Well, then the time that you know, say love a real thing. You see me, but everybody were young and fall in love. Foolish. You know why I say that? Because a lot of time you feel like say you're in love with a person and you put out your all. Me not go make it look away still now with people, because you see love motivate a lot of people to become better person in life. But for the most part, love a foolish when you're young, because you don't know what love is them the time there, and it just take over your mind and you do some dumb something, and when you get your heart broken, this is the calamity there. You see me I say, so it's when you grow older, you know, although you have to learn still from you're young, and then when you're older you understand what love is. On a level still with people. But yo, when you're young, love a foolish, yeah, man. Enough people life change because of love and heartbreak. You see me? So let me know what you think. I go watch some more with people.
Still stress I go maga you down, or you go stuck one place in our life. Learn that from the HR manager. Cause me not gonna really teach you enough, you know.
Kito, may I answer for your money gun?
So who was decide what do I second for? And no can't force nobody to do nothing what they don't want to do in their life. Nothing at all. And no can't tempt them, you know. So alright then, me a wicked. I know say enough people out there where me and them come across path in our life, and you have to show them people the respect, you know. And they text me more while, and me and them text more while. But certain things where me and them go through, either over foreign or down at Jamaica, I never hear back yet. Never. And then I 1 and 2. And enough time they say, never sit down now with no girl, down here about him and said and comfort. But me no make you know my business. You understand? So you see as a man more while out here, you know, if you know no composure and a proven is not a proven thing to say who a girl is over here, or who a tougher girl is, or who have more girl and who have this. This is about sometimes things keep off the internet for certain reason. You know, whether I better for marketing way or it better for protect with career in a certain way. But you see, as a public figure, entertainer, or whatever you want to call it, TikTok or whatever, and every little thing we fling up over here, so, and then everything me fling up. And then if we fling up everything when me come through in our life on TikTok, people are going to look for me as good, and people are going to look for me as bad. People are they misconcept and they misbelieve of everything. But nobody life story. Is just a set of judges. And me are going to left with that. Me can't tell any boy that. See him how Dante, say Dante a follow up. I see him say you follow up on the way. If you try to get a blood clot come back. Can you say you fall off? Me can't left quote. Alright, listen. Alright, keep quote. Take quote. Now take your program and see same way. You still not gonna get a fall on. You're not entertaining no more. Me tell you that. Too much ignorance you use, and you're corrupt and you're bad mind. And that's why Dawg got up on a different level down, you know. But you make me eat out of fear footstep just because you give Dawg a little exposure. You see what Swiss do for nobody. You see Dawg come back and talk about it. Hey man, make me see back my mother in how much years. And it not even come on the internet, come talk when do for people. Hey boy, you no go on here, man. You no go on in corruption. That's all you no be. You know corruption. And you never can go up on levels, none time. And when people find out on the style and don't deal with it, you feel like I say, people turn them back against them. How you fuck up on yourself? How you fuck up on yourself? Move. But how me feel against my team, against Jaden team. So yeah, look at strength off a blood clot Jay. We're not afraid of Jaden them none talk. I sound like a fuck chat where I can't chat. Listen, you see, you know when me not go do chat, me not go make them talk about the girl in a no farmer way, you know. Everybody have their thing I do. She have her platform them. And by an idea, me not go make because of me. Because of me. By an idea, we make it look like a because of me, you know. Make people feed them business kind of, you know, bebble down or shovel down. But me not go talk about the people them there. Me just allow them because they end up on a different platform from we. We do TikTok. Them do their different program. Twitch and name program there. We do different set of program. So anything they know about people are for them business. Me not go come over here and worry about it. But if they start it, and me I go show you how me can defend my friend them. Whether none of you can say me no nothing with nobody, no can assume. But anyone who fi start it, I make me get one of good blood clot. Me just order one mattress from up in Florida and send it come straight to Jamaica and we start it trolling. And when me start it trolling with that the mattress there, I hope nobody no vex. I hope no war no start. I hope nobody no offer me no gunshot. Cause last time me there in Florida and they offer me gunshot and all kind of sitting and want what fi happen, you know. So me just keep myself clutch from it. But you see that I'm in there in Florida now. Alright, but we start it. You know, I forgot to take with my promotion. Because me telling them I love the fuckery. When we take a boy crown, we don't give them it back neither. We make them try to catch up back. Me not go really to and from with people who fall off. Me not go really to and from whether or not we used to be legend over this. Yes, don't get me wrong. But me not go make you catch up. You just catch up. Now when I catch up half of me, catch up on yourself. I make Jaden help you know. Me not gonna help you neither, you know, but if you don't want to and from with the mattress business, me and a 10 no ticket, right? Me gonna deal with now. If you want to and from, we can to and from, or back and forth. Jaden help you know, man. Cause him switch up on and slide when he say, yeah, calm down. Now hold. I'm alone no to your ear. Think a Dante this. Think a blood clot Dante this. You think a Dante this. No about me. Remember me having to file them so and people send them to me daily. So if you start, make it start cause on a Dante this. Now you have to allow people make them go on with themselves first. Me I gonna keep quoting but me I wait a little bit. Make them run on your program and
Alright, my people. Yesterday, me tell you, say, yo, Real Dawg. I did not take nothing for Real Dawg. come back on TikTok and make whatever. You see me? But some of the time you see the people them who are legend, great people them have to learn say yo, you know what I mean? It will reach a point in life where your name are gonna still the people are gonna respect you, but the people them now gonna really take on to you like how them take on to the newcomer, because the newcomer you know I do things where them know about them can relate to. You see me? You entertaining, yes, but your little entertainment kind of outdated certain way, and that's why you have to know if you evolve some of the time. And even if you try to evolve, you can't match up with the younger crowd them, because them just younger, fresher, and come with something new. You see me? So Royal Dawg go always have people who love him and rate him and give him and something, you know. But him now go every time be that person. You see me? The younger you them are gonna take it. You see me I say? So let me know how to think my people. Make watch some more.
Exactly, yourself. Last laugh and a laugh. Me want to keep my quote last. With or without Dante. Me call up people on his stand. 2% my phone me a cut.
Entertainment purpose only, dog.
Entertainment purpose only.
Entertainment purpose only, dog. You see me?
Me know that, Royal Dawg. Me know that.
Yeah, dog.
Them know that.
Eh?
Them know that.
Me dey on the live and me ask down and say, why them two not come against me two? And the man skip over it.
You skip over it.
Them people them night. People them Jaden coming, they afraid. yo, Jaden.
Add him now for true now. If we do that to you know.
Who?
If you ask him for true you know.
Who? Down there?
Yeah.
Me no yard down here, I down there, can't down there, me no yard him.
But don't me not read that, boy. Don't me not read it. Well, I pressure would have depend down here. Oh, I call me, dog.
Jaden, dog. Me call you. You call me 5 hours later, me asleep. Me call you, you now pick up again. Bro, just call me, dog. Sometimes if you call me up on WhatsApp and I get me, dog, text me number or iMessage, bro. The iPhone I have.
Yeah, I call you love sweet.
Who?
I call you love what me there right now is sweet.
What name so?
But, eh?
What you mean sweet?
No, you love what I'm going for me right now is sweet.
Yo, let me ask you something. What do you think we get Pretty Dan to come over to be your second house?
Yes, got Pretty Dan now all back. No, call her. Mumbo clot! Right candidate to blood clot! I done it done!
Done. Alright, hold on. Tell her to text me or something. I done it done, man.
We done! Darling, drink some more drink now.
She alive? She alive? You look like she alive.
Them say she alive?
Yeah, she alive. How was she there? Tell her, say me call her. Oh no, they say no.
They must
Somebody
say
say
no.
yes. They must say yes, she alive.
Stop,
Yeah.
say yes, sir. I'm gonna stop, say yes, sir. No.
I'm gonna say she alive. I'm gonna say her alive. She don't know they alive.
6% my battery there. 6.
Charge up if it tonight, yeah?
Yeah, anything or anything. I buy an idea, Jaden. See him like I own a business, me no business. I don't have a chick or a child or a kid that this world.
I can't fly out.
May I be honest with you? You see, when it comes to that part, you don't have to be scared because I have highly respect for her every time, with or without your presence.
What do you mean by scared?
No, because me I tell you, but me I go beat you come on. But I don't business where me I beat you, but probably me just
No,
drink
but
and beat
listen,
you.
then anything I want to beat me pan, but remember say when we start beating a vex.
You can't beat me for nothing.
Alright.
Yo, hear me I say, when you start beating me with facts, a facts me want to run out with.
Me never beat off for you yet. Me never beat off for you yet.
You beat off from all the time and a
Me
point.
alone no make no do nothing, and then when me see screen record then and me feel like it's serious, me come back with a beating. But don't take my
Don't hear me I say.
No, you want to talk, I don't want nobody to talk.
Me want me to go bumbo class same time. Come and go live same time.
When your beating start, don't come with no violence. Don't start no war. I don't say you're going to do nobody nothing. I want what you will do. Because anytime violence catch for your door, a different pot of kettle. So just don't do that. Just take it to immediate and make we do it entertainment. Don't get personal when it start. That's all me have to say. How that
Well, dog, ask him now.
How you feel for your team against me and Jaden?
How? No, use your team. Don't look no help from Jaden. How you feel against me and your team against one another? What you talk about Jaden for?
No, the dog I say. The dog I
Don't
say.
if me play a one-on-one match, you can't beat me unless you're going to make a people
we play then now, we play then now. Because it's the same way how you talk like you say.
World, I just beat him.
So me a follow back at me. I see so we see a follow back at Jaden hard, you know.
No, sir.
Okay.
You are doing one thing.
No, sir. I
Me and Dante are doing one thing.
If me not world, you know me.
So how am I talk about so now? How
Jaden, what you just say, Jaden?
If me not world, you know me. Me tell you honest truth.
And don't anytime you have to see me, if you kiss me blood clot foot because the same man where you run back at me boss him Swissley.
No, me do my own thing. Crazy.
No, you have to kiss me foot when you see me. And me make you have the opportunity to talk like this now. Because I Swissley bust you back the other day. So you have to kiss me blood clot foot when you see me. You all not drink out of my cup. Suck on yourself and go.
Well, my people, when you tell me what you think in the comment section, because I one thing me know, say nobody no ad forever on social media. You have time when you trickle down look a bit, you see me, you have time when you're hot, but my people, I'm telling you something, you have people who are going there for a while on social media, and you go have somewhere come and have to go on about them business, because the people, them not use them. So, make me know what you think, make watch somewhere.
You want to start it right now?
You see what
you want to start it right now? You want to drink out of the blood.
You see what me
talk out of respect. When you talk out of respect. What are you doing? Get out of here and talk say. Swissley carried out 5 different states in a 3 weeks. Bro. So me make you because of the opportunity. That's all you can blood clot. Me want to beat you with facts. Let's start and stop screaming down there, man. Stop screaming and give me back now, man. Me I have what it now. Come on, let's go, man. Stop screaming. Ah! That is not entertainment. Let's go. Back off, let's go. What you have to say?
So what you doing on our entertainment?
I'm telling you what I'm doing. You said me
Let me tell you this, sir. I used to tell me see it. No, I got the pan 11 where Swissley the pan. None. None I got the pan Swissley level. None. And the attitude they want to have, me can't reach him.
You too.
I swear for my life.
You too.
No.
You too. That's why you can't reach.
No, me can't reach there.
So why you don't reach there? So why you don't reach here?
No, because me stubborn. But
because he's a blood clot poop too.
No, me follow under a dog footstep. How we operate, we can't reach there. But no can reach Swissley level. No.
We're not talking about Swissley, we're talking about you. We are talking
about ignorance.
Why all Swiss coming at this?
Well, no, white have to be levels and thing, bro. Why
no, can't talk about that.
Are you? No,
you say you're following back again, and I'm gonna tell you something. All Swissley get
first, me no call no man name.
How did Swissley get into this?
You say see about me
call Swiss name?
Yes, you call the man name.
Cause me never call Swissley name. Never.
What the lion bumper clan, man?
Yo, watch it up.
He might call him on there to blood clot. I'm going to beat him. Ball level. I'm going to beat him blood clot.
World Dawg, watch you now. Don't have them negative value. Because we show now stop, you know.
Eh? Why?
Bro, this a thing enough to be no about no competition, about which level.
My feelings, bro. But we don't care.
About which level.
We don't care. A level and blood.
Yeah, bro. World Dawg great, Swiss League great, me great, everybody great.
Everybody in that one world.
You want
because everybody is a hypocrite like you. Everybody in that one world. Everybody do their thing. Because bad mind over which? Bad mind over what? Me sleep comfortable at night time. We have peaceful stuff. Jaden live nice. Everybody live nice. Nobody have a bad mind, nobody. Everybody have live great. TikTok change everybody life. It's not about who this or who that. Who this or who that. We all live good. Everybody all live good. Everybody all live good.
But we need to live good together.
Eh? We not live together with nobody. We not play no hypocrite like how them play hypocrite. We not play no hypocrite.
Dawg say.
Eh?
Not bad.
No, real talk. We not play no hypocrite. Me tell you see, let me show you something. You see? They always clash fun with realness and beef. You see, when a man can't take fun because he insists you're there on the fun side now, they always start problem. But when we put on this term, I don't give a flying fuck. Because it was all fun and entertainment until rare. Look how much people we beat in a court case. Look how much things we do. Come on, bro, it's all about fun and joke. You can't say we have to say something about you. And you're going to say, reach out your doorway and this and that. We don't give a fuck. I know why, Jaden, I know why they always do this. They only thing they can beat me about. Me tell you what they can beat me about. Only thing they can beat me about, you can't go do this, you can't go do that. You make sure I'm going to put up on the screen to come on.
Alright, you know all them things there, though. Let's see.
Yeah, man.
What do you right thing?
No, me tell you, they want to come this morning, Jaden now. A different era, man. We're pretty than a short, man. Jaden, I can't go get one different suit than a red jacket.
You mad? You don't want me to get no more gift on TikTok?
Entertainment.
Yeah, that's what work with it. Other suit, they go get over man answer. Where I say?
You work over? Yo, hear me and say. You can read good.
Wait a minute, you can read good. Of course, you can read good.
You sure you can read good?
Yeah, some of the time, of course.
When you read one sentence, you know, like, say, Judge Nunopo's disciple reaching and all rise and say that. Me can't find pretty that she not alive. Tell her to turn on her request.
Judge Nunopo's all rise in court.
No, you're wrong. Disciple Nunopos. Google it.
I'm for Google that. No, you are telling me to read, so you yourself don't know if you read it.
So that me I try to tell you, me don't know how to say, so me I ask if you can read because me hardly can read. So me I ask if you can read, so when me enter a court case come on, it act a serious sitting a go on. So me I say, all rise, Judge Honorable Nunopos is presiding to the courthouse. You all may be seated.
Then when I get fucked tonight, man, if the judge can't read. We don't lose every case, man. Every case that's short, everybody them are gonna just counter and just win. But a good thing I have me, yes, yeah, you know?
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. I'll make you watch some more.
RT, say the lion now.
No, but here I go. The best thing about it, that's why I have one. We can't find Pretty Dan. We're Pretty Dan, they are location off.
Location.
Dummy, if blood clot I stop your door, you come right back to Jamaica. Dummy, this is a paperless junker. Dummy, you suck your white pussy and broke her finger. All because I suck the girl pussy and broke her finger, she come talk. You want to break her neck. Dummy, you buy pussy, you eat up pussy, you carve up the pussy, you love a juice pussy. Dummy is a paperless junker. If I should pull up on your door right now, dummy, you reach right back a blood clot, motherland Jamaica. If I should pull up on your door, a man in dummy, I know, right now, you reach back a Kingston blood clot, Jamaica. You reach back a Victoria Dibbly. Dummy is a no baby, no paper baby. Dummy is a no paper baby. Dummy is a leech, is a parasite, is a scabby. Dummy is a pope, is a fallbacker. Dummy is suck pussy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Big, everyone dummy, make a diss you. May I show you, sir, I'm not really busy about no. No, I'm not alive. May I show you, sir. Corruption, pussy thing. This is when they went and doing an idea with him stress. In stress. I put me sick man sitting on shit over man. This is when they doing an idea with him stress. When you find dummy face up in a hole. Dummy sitting on stress over doing ya. Dummy a real like batty boy. What do you do in the park like a blood clot? All 77 blood clot, teach your white boss. I mean say your blood clot stress. The man stress your fuck. Dummy is nobody over here. There's nothing in a shit pit. Dummy is nothing in a shit pit. Dummy is nothing that when the people talk to you and get up in their blood clot feeling so cocky, dummy. You is nobody. You can't sit up as them. You can't sit gift as them. You can't let people that should like go suck out a big pussy so cocky, man, dummy. Dummy go ring and come in there, mother. No paper. Unlegalized junker. Immigrant junker. Fly by the pitch by night junker. Dummy suck pussy pan blood clot, man. Dummy suck pussy pan Statue of Liberty. Dummy suck pussy right at Statue of Liberty. Dummy salute pussy with the tongue suck. Dummy salute pussy with the tongue suck. Dummy suck pussy pan Statue of blood clot Liberty. You suck pussy in New York. You suck pussy in Florida. You suck pussy in Oklahoma. You suck pussy in blood clot DC Dallas. You suck pussy in Las Vegas. You suck pussy in Toronto. Hey. I don't want to come gain hype with a suck pussy like a boy. But that's when I call Zuma name pussy. Dummy is nothing than a shit. Dummy is nothing than a blood clot shit. Dummy, you suck pussy in Miami. You suck pussy in New York. You suck pussy in Bronx. You suck pussy in Brooklyn. You suck pussy in Italy. You suck pussy in Germany. You suck pussy in Barbados, Jamaica, Canada, Mexico, Antigua. That's suck your man. What that? What can I give that? My side, Port of I send the army them, please. Price right, thanks. My side, maybe the money go in them chat. If you want me to take him down, say take him down. If you want me to take down, say take him down. If you want me to take him down, say take him blood clot down. If you want me to take him down, say take him down. If you want me to take down, suck cocky Dante's. Boss lady, come here, please. I'm gonna take it down. Come see. Dante, first thing first, he's a butler. Dante, first thing first is a butler. When you're a Swiss a blood clot friend, you have a brush Swiss star teeth. When you're a Swiss Lee was friend, Bumbo clot, I'm gonna say take it down. May I take it down? Goddess! Goddess, listen to me, hear me out. May I beg you interstellar? Dummy is nothing in a blood clot butler. When you're a Swiss Lee was friend, you have a brush blood clot Swiss Lee down teeth. You have a clean Swiss Lee shoes. You have a press house Swiss Lee blood clot clothes. Dummy a suck pussy right through like night Joe. Dummy a batty man. Dummy a long time batty man. You a basic school boas. You a teenage freak. Dummy a suck pussy eat meat. Dummy a suck pussy New Year's, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Dummy a suck pussy on Valentine's Day. You suck pussy Father's Day, Mother's Day. You suck pussy summer, Christmas, New Year's, Boxing Day. Dummy a ring him out in a pussy. Dummy a lap up a tongue in a pussy. Dummy a buy pussy, eat pussy, taste with the vibrate in a pussy the tongue. Dummy he's a eater. Dummy he's a eater titus come to bite us. Master, beg you some money gun, please. The live gun. Chat, me, I do 50 money. Chat, me don't blood clot dog. If you take him down, say money gun. I'm moving my blood clot head get mad. Moving my blood clot head get mad. My head get mad. Suma is blood clot back. I'm mad, my head get mad. Some look who else go me. Me a call me name pussy. I'm ready to say I can't see you all long. Yeah, call me name. Come here and say dummy in a body. Dummy in a body. You know, uncle mama say jealous over our next man. When doing never use you, you stress. Like you take blood clot, slim fast, you get maga. Your face up in a hole. Dummy a damn pussy. Dummy a body man, you a follow back. Dummy is nothing more. Dummy never carry bro. Dummy, what you do over here? 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 Pussy, what you do over here? You put a lap on the face over your pussy? You put a lap, dummy is not a content creator. I Switzerland them boss make people know you. Suck pussy, dummy. From a suck the pussy you start talk. Dummy you cough up in a hole. Dummy you hard put in a hole, go suck your mother. Dummy go suck your mother on a jet to holiday. Dummy go reborn in your suck pussy mama. Dummy go wrap it up your tongue in your mother. Dummy go reverse the face in your mother. Dummy go scoop and dive with your tongue in your mama. Dummy bite your mother, suck your mother, eat your mother. I go suck out your big pussy, run the pussy mother. Dummy you suck pussy like dog. Dummy you fuck body, you taste body. You nyam body, I go suck your mother. Take it down, pussy. Now take it down. You ain't nobody. Pussy me my own clothes. And maybe myself, my boy build me. Don't me a real life batty boy. Bro, I'm relax. People, don't be chick. Don't be there foreign asleep in a van. Don't be them come put your now, bro. Them not live no life of foreign. Don't be chick. I be a thief, don't be thief close a $1 store. People, don't be chick. Don't be sleep on ground and right in my sleep in a van. People, don't be chick. Don't be rap in a bankruptcy. Don't be own bill. So any moment no you can hear, don't be get choked. Don't be landlord come live one day and attack. So don't be stink and nasty. Don't be a dirty stinking suck pussy like a boy. When don't be shit, don't be used to no wipe in bat in a Friday. They go suck your mother. Pussy can use to know why body you find suck pussy dummy. Batty boy. Me see that size of pussy. Me see that size of batty boy. Yeah, I'm not calling him pussy, I call me name. Pussy, me see that size of pussy as you, batty boy. Baddest thing be, bro. Baddest thing be, bro. You have to give someone them blood clot flowers. Some you over here and pay the blood clot to you. Me see a size up at real dog. Pussy up at real dog level. Much as a real dog go on vulgar. A real dog having blood clot time. Pussy can you ain't on chip level on at all, batty boy. You can't have a real dog living on at all. You have to show them in the respect. Because real dog are the first you them come over here and pave the way for we. So if you size up a real dog, suck pussy dummy. Real dog want them up. I boy suck your mother. Hey boy, I'm calling him a pussy, I can't zoom on him no. Batty boy, I can't believe me this, you know. Pussy make a ring like a clothes and flush, you go suck your mother. My side, we have 1.6 over a port of my shit live chat. Dummy a bad mind. Dummy is a bad mind, Janko. Dummy is a low life. Dummy a bad mind and sting the blood clot. Dummy is a low life, Janko. Pussy. This is a low life junko, bro. But that's thing me, bro. You have to give Roland them props, bro. Roland them set it, fold it, and build it, bro. You have to give Roland them props. You have to give Switzerland them props, bro. Give you them flowers, them they deserve it, bro. Don't be a bad mind. You're vicious. And that's you're not going on in your life. Go suck out a big pussy mother. Dog shit, my father, walk one. Don't me a tongue out there. Don't me a tongue out there on OnlyFans. Oh look, dog shit, my father. Dog shit, I want the eyes, they cheat money on the eyes. Dog shit, I want him more answer from my father. One thing more answer.
Boy, my people, Zuma deal with double wicked star. Hey, let me tell you something, man. You see, especially TikTok are for people like Zuma. You see me, I say TikTok are for people like Zuma, Rosalie, and them type of people. People like Dummy, them can go on, but them not gonna be dominant on TikTok. Real dog, and them type of people there. You see me, I say, oh, trigger off and done, you know. And them the people that get a good audience because people love drama. You see me, so let me know what you think, me can watch some more, my people.
Look at my friend. Don't easy. Dog shit, I want him more ask him for my father. Want him more ask him for dog shit. When you take out the interstellar out of the blood clot gift gallery, and when you take out the plane, that's the army ask for dog shit. Anything man know? Anything man know you can't bust me. Anything man know you come and you can't see me.
Sorry, it's all like you try to justify what you do.
Thank you very much, DJ. Thank you. Thank you.
All I want to do enough to do that. Chat when you not apologize to somebody, just say sorry and done.
With you, nigga?
If you say sorry and try to explain
you want to take, you don't want to take no accountability for nothing you do. Nothing you do, you don't want to take accountability for. Yesterday you said sorry, I said alright, no, me left it. So hear me, TJ. Oh, you see why them always gonna be hypocrite on the app because you don't want me to say one more. I said talk. Yesterday him said him attack. Then him said, Kitty, you should behave like how you behave because you have the number. What the fuck me have your yes, me have your number. And me always a check by you, me always call about your game and things them. But when you behave by the app with me, upon the app, I never off the app, upon the app.
Right. So you have to do back.
You can't make me feel like say, okay, me for care about your feelings but not mine. And I can't tell you. So you feel hurt me, I mean, but say okay then alright and take it. Come here, suck your wood.
They can't tell people
how for real. I don't fuck with me, man.
Me hear that too.
Try do.
Yeah, me hear that. I'm some grow. Like somebody will do something, bro, and then you do back something and talk about, oh, you never have to do it stuff. No, bro, me react because of how I feel. You can't determine how I react. Because remember say you don't hurt me a certain way.
You don't like how I come go on, but me a pussy and me a this and me a that. Yesterday when you say sorry, I say alright, dummy, make it stay, I accept it, I move on. You come back, oh Kitty, you never have to behave so, what the fuck you mean?
Yeah, I just a part that got then you talk you know you so like you justify what you do.
But that him I do, and that him been I do, bro.
Yeah, you're right, Kitty.
What's this? Every minute people them love tell me say, Lord do me alone, Lord do me alone, Lord do me alone. And me I said, no man, I'm a play with him, man. I saw him come go on for me now.
Yeah, Kitty have a point, chat, for real. I'll say it go. Alright, TJ leave him now. Queen K, how?
Phoenix, go on alone, my blood clot, no?
Yeah, do me a fuck or something. Yeah, talk about leave him. He's a man. The man is not a boy, he's a man. What do you mean by leave him now? We are
alright, listen on. Alright, listen on. Me here wanna say. And Kitty, you have a point. I'm one that they say. I sincerely apologize because whatever I did on the media, you know, as a friend, I shouldn't have done that. And I want to say, TJ, just the same. You know, you're my friend, and I apologize if I let you guys feel some type of way. And I hope from now on we can move on as regular co-workers and, you know, as match partners and do our stuff what we do on the internet, okay? And I hope
like you sarcastic, but alright. You know,
thank you, but okay.
It's okay. It sounds like I tell them I'm not telling the truth. And I like it don't really matter still for truth, but it sounds like you're sarcastic. But that's what I say.
It's alright.
It good.
Everything for your blood clot joke, you know, DJ. DJ, you know, sister, me for chop that boy and I'm blood clot. That boy, me say you hear him yesterday, TJ. Oh, you behave like we in a secret relationship when him behave like him never know say all of this way I come go on with before. If him never know say when me I check on him. Eh? I care.
Obviously, because you never, that's true.
But him a come go on for me. But everything good. Chat, catch his speed. Catch his speed, chat. Everybody send Kitty and
Rose chat.
Everybody
chat, Rose.
They're gonna 30 Rose. 30
Rose chat.
Rose chat. Use up the Rose. Tap save Rose them views by your click and send them on the screen. So TJ, where are you otherwise though?
I'm good otherwise. You prepare for later?
For what that?
I just not too long talk to dummy. Him say, you're my team of the car, right?
Thank Thank you so much.
tell you what I'm
Push up
saying,
your
I tell you
score,
what I'm
Chad.
saying.
Push up your score.
Ask him. No,
Big up yourself, Alfonso.
I know me say it, I don't want to say it, bro. I'm not tell you that, say. I know, you know.
You know that AJ say? You think me I eat that? I know that's why I care for your pussy hole, but he not care about
Oh, sorry,
me.
I mean Donna, not dummy.
Me know.
I'm link up with you later for take down
No. I know him have whole heap of go on in him life and pan him brain.
Everybody have whole heap of go and chat. Dummy, I go be alright, bro. For a day, just hold it together, dog. I don't make nothing. I mean, stress still, but you will be great, bro. You will be okay. You see me? I just one of them things that.
If you did call me and say, yo, Kitty, come help me push for get some kind.
Well, I know Kitty before me even go there, so.
I got the liar, whatsoever. You know me there for the pussy hole, you know. That boy me feel batty boy, you know, boy guy like him.
Kitty, what me not like is the fact that he say he no want come and ask for help because we're going to take it, tell him. Then if that be the case, you shouldn't bother mention it, then say, oh, we
me again, and I your people them, I send it to you, or your people them, I support you, I send it to you.
But dog, everything will work. You have a team.
I can tell.
Regardless, people love you, bro, so you will get the help. Nobody make nothing stress you out in life and mad you up, bro. Yeah, you me would same way. All of we make mistake, you will get by. Ask the help from where you want to ask from your good brother. No shit.
I'm gonna come back. And I'm telling you, I see everything what you do. Me I do, you just don't like it or me I do it. So I'm gonna come back and beat you more. More and more and more. What are the 10 tour in a one? 10 tour in a one. Let me ask you something. I mean, if you should ask you nothing, can you not worth it? You see what my name?
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and let me watch some more.
No, but me ready for them. Me have 11 hours left. But you are going. Me not follow the comment section. Me not follow the comment section. Me not follow the comment section none at all. Listen to me I try say. Listen to me I try say. You have to understand say. Remember say. You have to understand say. Me a forward box. So everybody want a name and call off of me. Me not no name and hype give nobody. Me not no hype give nobody. Nobody never dare give me no blood clot hype. Anything want come, me just come and beat. Anybody more come and beat. Let's see, say yesterday, my name was the name, so everybody come to there, call my name. I know everybody will go and get hype. Me not fool again. Me know who fi beat. Me know who fi beat and a beat. When me a go beat you and get you out of that? When me a go beat you and get out of that now? Nothing at all. Not a rose clot thing. You're not worth a blood clot penny. But an empty blood clot barrel. So what if I never come and kill myself with an empty barrel for? You come and say, everybody I talk I town. Right now, that beautiful princess queen where you have left you right now, you're not even talking the blood clot druggy. It's swamp, it's mangrove. Whoa, watch me in town, check out the one you're whining. Only thing you're gonna say, here we are wicked. Talk about me old clock nice house. Talk about me nice clean living room. Talk about me nice clean things them. Talk about me teeth white and my blood clot mouth. Talk about me short in my leg. You understand what? Them blood clot mouth and the girls them love it. Only thing when I come talk about that's some foolish one that makes sense. That's why none of them never really come for me. I want to come for me and say, yeah, Nick. Florida mattress, but that's it enough for me. More than all the blood clot men. Some of the worst of the blood clot men and the blood clot carpet. Some of the worst of the blood clot carpet in our tile. So all the things that can't come from me about and them things that we get used to it now. Get a grip on yourself. Only thing you have over me on one box you get a $15 million. And the gunshot when we get me never get nothing no tight. Me no vanilla got blood clot here. So all the thing that you have over me, get your back, you get 2 bucks and you get $15 million. That's all the thing. No blood clot ends. So when you talk and you go all of them thing there, stop comfy people. Yesterday not on my level, no time. No farm away. You pay Jamaican bills, I pay American bills. That's different. Different minimum wage, different category. Okay? Stop acting like me on them on the same level. Our Jamaican bills, this money is totally different. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? You pay this. What you get in the lawsuit, we pay that yearly in bills. Come on, stop being a stupid ass nigga. You dumb? Come on, man. Different, minimum wage, different. Stop equal yourself, yassa, and over yassa. Hello? Okay? Do something better with your life. More than come at me. We are not the same. We are not the same. We are not the same. Okay? The bills what I pay in foreign every month, I could buy one of your BMW every month. And that's for the year, that's 12 BMW. Relax yourself, bro. And stop acting like you want to come for me, bro. Behave yourself. Cameraman! No. Beg you to anything there. Please. You don't even have a cameraman. See me camera dog right there, so. Look at right there, so. Go invest in your blood class self. Invest in yourself. Back forward, pull it over there. Invest in yourself. So when you come at me, don't come like you want. Me going to come and then argue with you. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Hell nah. Put in your place. Next patient, same treatment. Cardboard, people in on top. Oh, the people in on top. Oh, this is what everybody do every day. What I did was just put it down. So you shit me could come take it up on top. Oh, I'm on top. I'm one of the on top of the one. One of the on top of the. No, not all. No, not blood clot all on the on top of the. All the things will come every day. Oh, me the biggest thing. Me I get this and me I get that. I'm not found myself on a blood clot like with 10,000 views. I'm not get a blood clot rose. Forward. Thank you. So when time with the blood clot, see, a long time we don't want to take out blood clot Rose. And a long time we don't want to take out Jaden. So when you come on with Jaden, Jaden be careful of hype because I see him hype them to give me. TJ used to dare me and tell me say me a biggest thing. Welcome to the app. Remember I said one line and I said welcome to the app. And I see him TJ will go over ding dong and ding dong come live for the first time. And I said ding dong line, here ding dong, watch ding dong and intro. Who that? TJ! Because I said and 5 minutes later, ding dong, no blood clot member, yo. You only do it for I. I see him say, well, I'm going to give Vice Cartel lion. And Vice Cartel think Vice Cartel never sing song about TikTok. And now no sing a song about blood clot TikTok. You want to run back up. And I got to between me and you. Me cuss off any blood clot body over this. I don't care. Me tell you something different between me and you. When you run down views to get gift, I'll take people gift up. Listen to what me I try to say. I have Denny's, I have Tommy, I have DJ, I have Mums, I have Dear, I have Mecca, I have Miss Ann. Me don't need a lot of blood clot gift over here. And when other people pass and Miss Dunkers them come, Miss Dunkers is mine. Come and then give me. And me have life size Bob, and me have the people that we save up their little money and come. You think we are fighting for blood clot number one over here every day? You think we are called cleaner? Me people that we have hard blood clot 95. When we can take me to get up and play no match right now, because tomorrow I bills have no ex-gang now give me blood clot nothing. You think me don't know my blood clot team? Today me know say me have to go in no match today and take any little thing we get because they now put them blood clot bills over me. Uno other people over there so them a throw good figure uno, a throw gift figure uno, and they throw blood clot gift figure uno. And one thing will build a relationship with my blood clot team. If them not have it to them, they sit out and hold it out. And if my blood clot cost still more so they still not give me that over here so.
Alright my people, so we are run through the rest of this. Let me know all the thinking in the comment section. Me not talk too much.
Come on, one of them. No care how me cuss and they lose. Then I say, boy, me tell you not to play. Cause me have me bills to pay. But remember me tell you, check with that second week in the blood clot month. Check with that second week in the month. You don't have too much reviews. You don't move it up from entertainment. Listen to me now. You notice, when them beat people, everything's supposed to go good. Then come back in the morning, entertainment purpose only. So why when somebody else do it is not entertainment purpose only? Why we not have to take it to art? I want to have to do so much. It's always entertainment. I want to come. You know why? As they come and beat you different. My style different. I saw them turn up and beat people and wait people beat people. I'm not afraid to beat nobody over this. Because when you not beat me, you want to beat me blood clot good. Beat me good. And you, Mr. Kingship, right? Don't let me a chat. I'm not afraid of show no one. We come over here today just so we have to say something. You are come talk about none of it no big. I know we don't see none of we have Jamaican blood clot TikTok in the hospital. The other way when blood clots I'm go and carry a bill over here, we don't build 5 blood clot players in nobody. We don't pay this narrative like TikTok or rich blood clot peers. Hey, let me talk now. What on, let me talk now. We don't pay this narrative like we don't come over here every day. I want to go over here so I want to cover people blood clot eye. I want to take off the bandage. That's a new 2-bedroom house, 5 bathroom and 6 kitchen and hotels around the city with that big. We're not going to bomb buckler do that. Sorry about the 9.5 inch, because you don't know me can't ride it big. You just a jump all around in the pants. You don't know. Sorry about that. Now because it says Lisa myself, man. I don't know. You right. Listen to me, the difference between me and you. And people here want to walk off. If people here want to walk off, the difference between me and you, and that's why you don't like me. You see, all of this what me I do, me never get a sponsor. All of this what me I do, and me I take me little time and do it. Me not have Ramesh to go on the truck and things in it to go boss off and pearl off. Everything what me I do it from a blood clot heart. And that do not like with me. So me not grow on the axe. And me I do blood clot this from my heart. To send God Jamaica for my people them. Me not have no blood clot big deal back at me. Me not have no sponsor back at me. And that's why I don't ask you want come at me like me as some little pussy hole. And me alone always do this to my bum clot self. So when you come for me blood clot correct. And me alone get up and do every blood clot thing. So when you come for me correct. Because I don't have nobody behind me a blood clot push me and do all them things there. When me get from blood clot out and what me a do. When you move for yourself, act like you know act like the toughest thing boy. You can't come back for them. What you never say? Hey. Don't come for me. Come for yourself. Next patient same treatment. Hey, Rose, if you're on the line, later I'm going to suck out Cant one more time, make internet pop down and blood clot dead. I'm going to teach Diamond how to blood clot kids figure it out. Can I come like the kids that go some good on the drain? Let me tell you the blood clot truth. Hallelujah! Hold on, you want to write down blood clot, man. Hold on, man. Wait, let me tell you the truth, and the truth of God love. Because I'm not going to like it. Them not like what I go on. Me love it. Because I love competition. They're not really telling me what I want. They love competition. You see people who come for life and talk about feeling and then I like what I want and this and that. And Jaden, me know me and your dog, you know your biggest blood clot hypocrite on the app. Those are work with you. Because you see a screen record where you tell a man for blood clot cost me off and me just come off and scream. Jaden, you have a blood clot mix up, you know. But we just have a good area, move your pussy and go to. Me now say, let it out. Yes. People always see them I do. You see one time it come, let me show you something. I mean I said this before I go play my music. I swear I can do. Before I go my favorite. You see when I do it, it's all fun. It's all game. Craft. When you serious blood clot down come back. Serious will come to beat people. Oh, it too personal. Oh this. Wanna help me with this slogan? Help me. Come on, wanna help me. Facebook hero back at it again. I know when we come to talk, I know when we come to talk. Somehow we don't take no TikTok money and invest in ourselves. Buy one nice little clean sheet. Buy one little bread. As we get the blood clot money, we don't turn papa. We don't turn blood clot idiot. mouth. No care how me sit Tommy. Hey! Don't let me go. I'm going to fool it. Cause my sister said, oh no man get me from rap. And I me create this. Oh no, I can't me create this and me fold it up and put it down. Stop playing me. Are you guys stupid? You dumb? I'm telling you, so once you put that back in master problem over here. Here they come now. Me say me nah do this. And the next one come, me nah do that. Then you hear comment section. One of you make it up. Make it up. The next one. And make it up, you will learn attack. You will. Boy, I don't know, we're still in the backyard and chat to me, I even know say that go up to chat to blood clot to me. I'm in your boss mouth. Hey, boss friend, it up. Say go there, one there, one little. More to one on the blood clot come for me for the app. Cause one on the hypocrite. But me say, me a write down things from blood clot staff party days. Come on say I want Roger, I want a blood clot. You know, I'm not talking about Roger that. Or Rajesh, I buy man bike. Me not talking about that bitch. Man, miss nigga. Because me want anybody come for me because me now play. Me have 11 hours to sit this in a blood clot head. And 11 hours me have. I'm going to try to light over your son. I'm going to try to light. I'm going to come for me before New Year, please. Alright, I'm going to put my money to yourself. Look how more me start talking things. People, look how more 8 o'clock. Me have an award show. Me have an award show. 8 o'clock later on. Me need to go do my things then. Yes. Bunny bun down. No, me a come out tonight. Me a jail in a forward out. Tonight, crazy. Let it out, I watch show.
I say a true. The girl never know herself, but you fuck the girl. And the girl said she want to pump on the bus. And Chris Vibes to come talk. Chris Vibes to come bumbuckler talk. And you and him not deal. Cause Chris Vibes want to fuck off for the girl. So you want to see the girl in the class? Go suck on the mama. Go suck your mother. Remember, Diamond gonna hear this, you know. Arthur gonna hear this and William gonna hear this. And remember, anytime you have them mouth mesh, them gonna say a true able attack. Remember me tell you that. Go suck your mother and come near the pile and go bird feed the blood clot being. Pussy. You feel like you have somebody? Enough people after than him on the app. This a man want to tear down the app for me. Bro, I've used the man around down, you know. Able your mama man, moderator black them people eh. When brother Dawg go live and I talk about people and then enough talk about yeah, here this say that. Here this that here never was mama man. I able your mama man. So here alone for come and talk about people and nobody else will talk about people.
Alright, my people, yes, when they come to Able Boss, you know, Able Boss and World Dawg have long-standing beef a go on where them try to make it look like say beef now go on, but them don't like one another. At least World Dawg don't like Able Boss from longer time. From World Dawg say Able Boss tell him people them, you know what I mean? Not really him people them still, but people them are mostly give him, say them not to give World Dawg. You see me, allegedly, because I don't know truth to be World Dawg come talk it brawling, so you know what I mean? And whole heap of people, other people where him try to, you know what I mean, bring down certain way if you not get gift on them way there. So people, nobody feel like say Able Boss like mash up off a TikTok just so you know. You see me, because everything where him allegedly do come back around and the people them start spill the beans and people start say, yo, I saw this man that did stay way, you know what I mean? And I saw him stop get the support and the woman there from England and she come put the last nail in the Able Boss thing. You know what I mean? So make her watch some more.
Here alone for bring things to light and nobody else will bring nothing to light. Go suck on the mama and follow me. Go suck on the mother and follow me. Go suck out to the deepest part of the blood clot mother all over careless. When you feel like you can bully people off the internet and nobody for talk. When you feel like a phone of blood clot people and not for talk. Go suck out to the mama. What the fuck we not come talk about? Who love go live and talk about people and bring things to media? Who does that? No, turn about the comments. Turn about the comments and block them, man. Turn about the comments and block them. Go suck your mother. And Jaden I give back highlight. You could do over there. You yourself could do over there. And I do what you do. Jaden are the man for the app. And you cannot take it away from enough people. Go suck your mother. I want to see your dead woman grave and piss upon it and go suck your mother. Like I said, I'm alone for chat. If you like I don't me this, pussy. I'm going to show you something again, chat. I'm going to show you something again. I watch him and I say, after I put him in place up in the air with the video, one video kill him. I see him start post back content. We're boring. I see him start the YouTube and guess what? Hero stop. Because him not have no more idea. Him not have no more gameplay. Him can't continue the YouTube. They're going to tell Ivan boy you want 100,000 subscribers. You can't get that. What you going to do? What you going to do over there? You can't build a YouTube. You can't keep up with the content. So what you do? Your frustration because you watch Jaden. Oh, Jaden can start him live and have 5,000 views. Oh, Rosalie can do it. Oh, Donna can do it. The views are mad, yo. The views are mad, yo. Your priority is try to get the most views and have gifters. So that you come for do. And all you can do it, you go want Jaden. But Jaden no work the app, you know. Jaden know of word app and there's nothing you can say can hurt Jaden. There's nothing you can say can hurt Jaden. Because sooner or later, Jaden will remind us say I'll be the man. Sooner or later, Jaden I gonna remind us say you're Beanie Man. Views play, go ask brother Dawg, go like when people lick out him bottom. The fuck you come talk about? Him a run down views. Nobody, you know when everybody have them time and second and just try to be relevant regardless and make the new people them go and run the app. You want to come back to everybody, so and bully them. Yeah, come tell Donna about if you come suck your toe. Hey, me tell Donna, I say Donna goes, hey, Donna should have me but buckler. Yo, me say Donna should have me. I should have me tell that. Donna should have me tell that. Me watch when Donna rise off him own and entertain people. The amount of time I write up him house. The amount of time I run care over him phone and bust him own herself. The man now lean pan a Swissly. The two man them collaborate and work together. Why when two leaders come together on the feel like some man, the two of them feed off for each other. The two of them feed off for each other. Swiss feed off for Donna, Donna feed off for Swiss. Because when Donna come a friend, Donna got have the whole TikTok lock and him had it locked. I'm a par with Swissly, you know a Swissly that. Why you come tell the man about what? Come suck two and Ray, go suck your mother. I should have me tell that pussy. I should have me tell that Donna after that right now. Well, I have to go on a blood clot show. Well, I have to go on a bomber clot show. Hey, go suck your mother, yeah, man. But come kiss him foot. No. History class. History class. History class. Come in, I don't need him, you know. I want it, me a post content with him, you know. History class. The reason why the app is like this right now is because of World Dawg. I swear upon everything I love. I swear, God, if I lie, me I tell, take out everything I have. Before Hero Company up, TJ can tell you. If TJ Ed and Maya can tell you. Who was up on the app? Oh, we are Nisha. The app was the nicest place ever. There was Una just come on the app, you know, so Una now go know me a talk about, you know. The long time people on the app can tell us that true me a talk. Before World Dawg Company app, there was no drama. Pure entertainment. It's when Hero Company app. It's when Hero Company app. Him say, Maya fuck up the place. Abel fuck up the place. Who else who fuck up the place them time there? The Black Russia fuck up the place, Jazzy and one whole heap of people. But Brit was the queen for the app. Brit was the queen for the app. So I'm gonna tell you what happened now. Guys, I'm telling you this. All Brit want was a man, you know. All Brit is.
Well, my people, Rebel Boss him no wrong. You see me, because Donny and Swissley, them not have to depend on each other. But when them come together, you know what I mean, people love that. It's just like when World Dawg and Swissley used to come together, the people them love it and support it. You see it, so make me know what to think, my people. Make me listen some more.
So when Brit talk about man, she want a man. Remember, say I was the first person to try her find her. I'm in a play around her feelings. Who remember Brit as a able she like? I'm in a play. Hero knows that the girl want a man and Hero play with the girl feelings. Hero play with the girl feelings off the ear. Off the ear. And him consume Brit energy. It's when him get Brit energy now. It's when him consume all of Brit energy because here we are going. I'm tell you about mind game and manipulation. World Dawg could come and bully Brit for the app. World Dawg could come and bully Brit for the app. So what him do? Him come play a sweet man position. Buy her shoes. Buy her this. Buy her that. So it's when Brit realize that Brit not trust people, you know. It's when Brit realize that she'll get used and a cuss Hero. The media will turn against Brit. Because you know why? Hero don't play sweet role. So people are going to say Brit ungrateful. You have to understand manipulation, you know. You have to understand manipulation from the app. So, listen. Him come. Wife, everything. Buy her this. Same like what Akima do to Rosalie. Buy her this, buy her that. Play a sweet boy in the world TikTok. For the world TikTok. It's when Brit realize that she'll get used, she lash out for World Dawg. But guess what gonna happen? Brit gifters don't fall in love with Hero already. Because of what I do for Brit, and the people them feel like say Brit is ungrateful. Fast forward. You see when him take the app, you see when him take Brit crowd. You know him start to know, him feel like him almighty. Him start clock 14, 15,000 views now. So guess what now? Him start this Abel. Him start this TJ. Him start this Cian. Him start this everybody one by one because him feel like say him have the powers. But me tell you what some idiot not understand. Me tell you what them idiot not understand. Because him feel like him have the powers, him can't diss anybody and him don't need nobody. I'm tell you what him not understand. If you diss, for example, TJ, not because TJ may have 150 people on him live. If you diss TJ, and a TJ alone are going to lose her for you. TJ and him 150 people are going to lose her for you. So guess what? Your 14,000 cut down to 13,850. But you're not going to realize. So you go around and this, all of the the ranker them. You know when you realize, when you never clap 1,000 views again. You know when you realize, when you not clock 1,000 views again. That is when you realize you don't understand, say, unity will never fail. You feel like, say, when you have this bag of views, you can't diss any man. You can't diss. You feel like say ex-gang alone can't do it. But you don't realize say you are cut off your bread where come from other people, team, and the style. And you love walk and talk about people that tell them shoot up and stop shoot for you. When I hear this them favorite. And you are this them favorite. Remember I tell Swiss Lee team go suck. Remember I tell team let's go suck out their mother. Cause them now shoot for you. Who remember that? And Swiss Lee have to come and talk so you stop him bread. That's why team let's now shoot for you up to 2 the day. Yeah. Remember you tell team let's go suck out them mother. And you go Swiss Lee and them ungrateful and rare. What the fuck you come talk about? Me remember we go tell Swiss Lee team go suck out them mother. And Swiss Lee never this ex-gang yet. All screener card is there. What do you could have barely get 600 views? But I'm telling you this, them views that we are getting now is temporary, because you can't keep them up. You better go suck Jaden brush. You better go blood clot take Jaden brush. Cause Jaden have a blood clot magic brush, you know. Brother Dawg, Jaden have the magic brush, you know. Go suck Jaden brush. You talk about don't ever come kiss your foot. You go suck Jaden brush. And the blood clot here. You go suck up Jaden brush. Him can't use Jaden. Him can't use Jaden. Him can't use. You know who is that motherfucker? You know who is that motherfucker? Him can't use Jaden. Jaden are the smartest man who know how to work the app. I'm gonna tell you something. Jaden will know say you don't like him and him come laugh with you every day and play with you. And him know say you don't rate him. I would never do it. Jaden are the top biggest hypocrite on the app, and I don't know how him do it. Cause Jaden knows that the man don't like him, you know. And every day I see him laugh with him, I say, Jaden, how you bumper clot do it, youth? How you do it? Me don't know how him do it, you know. Me don't know how him do it to blood clot. But this a man of manipulation different. Jaden type of ball game is fucking different. Smart and smart, true. Smart Jaden smart. Smart and smart. I'm gonna tell you something.
Well, my people hear my boss talk, and what he must say, you know what I mean, it don't really make no sense in our way, because you are one. Nobody don't really have like everybody will watch them as them fan. You see me I say, because everybody watch everybody. You see me, if 1,000 people are watch you, maybe a quarter of that are your real fan them. The rest of them are come from all both. You see me I say, so when passa go on and mix up a go on and bring down a go on, them depend on the two side them. So you don't really lose nobody, maybe you lose a few people, but you also maybe gain more than what you lose. So you can't watch that. You depend on the media and a passa around, look on the lion man, look how much people him bring down certain way. You see me I say, the people them now left, look on Rosalie, how much people Rosalie cost, and Rosalie I crack the most views them. You see me I say, so let me know what you think, me could watch some more my people.
If you want to be a TikToker, the people and page where you have to take is like Swiss Lee, Tanania, and Perry them. World Dawg limit himself to Jamaica because he don't have no choice. World Dawg can't compare with nobody. World Dawg let him live a blood clot Jamaica. And every day they're in a Jamaica business. That for sure you say, you're the international but you're local. You're the only local man the blood clot international. You should have compare yourself to Ali them. To when me am Tyler River. You should have compared yourself at them people if you go say you're king for, but you don't have, you're not in them people the league. You feel try to conquer America, but you can't do it. Why you get number 1 or 2-time America? Maybe 3 because of Jamaica, not ex-gang. But nobody know you as a king in America ranking or TikTok world. Nobody know you as that because you don't have no power to run it. I'm sure you say him not on a level. In a matter about life, I'm sure you say him not on a level. If the world like it have levels, him not say him not have nothing more to prove to Jamaica. Him a go foreign and fuck it up. Him not compare himself to nobody at Jamaica. Him a fuck up America. Make some people know him. Make some business people know who is World Dawg. But them man they done fuck up them brand already. Them man they done fuck up them brand already. Him can't go America and compare with the top dog them. Why you compare with a TikTok boss with just a boss and I run the place and doing ya them? You don't have no levels. You don't have no more idea. You don't have no more stamina. You don't have no more gameplay. You don't have no more bumbuckler gameplay. You can't go international. You can't compare with what the girl name used to do for series is Fisley? Crystal, Tyler River them, Al Angie. You can't compare yourself to. Ali them, Sadie. Me blood clot, my best friend America. You can't compare yourself with them people because you don't have no more push for push. You can't push a career beyond Jamaica. So anybody boss, you want to tear them down and make them feel like you want to bully them next year, man. I mean like do they come talk about suck too. And do me like do them that say go suck out Jaden brush. It's like Jaden I give a clout. Kind of anyway, batty talk they love them, they say love the pile. I want you to go to pile and rest for your little dirty tongue and your false blood clot veneers of a bird kiss a bean. I'm gonna suck your mother. I'm gonna bird kiss a bean. I want to take out your pile and rub it for your blood clot tongue like butter and blood clot toothpaste. Rub the pile for your blood clot tongue so because dog love lick bottom you know. Dog love lick blood clot bottom you know. I want to rub the pile for your tongue so. I'm gonna kiss up your blood clot bean over there, go suck your dead mama. If I know your mama them that take come my blood clot 95 and piss on it, I'm gonna suck your mother. You have somebody? Nobody no respect you again. All of the youths them, when you look up on you, nobody no respect you again because you're a waste man. Go suck your mother again. And you can't be sneaker because me have your file. Me say, me da pray for him this sneaker, you know. Me da pray for him this sneaker, you know. The only person can tear him down a Mika, you know. Him can't touch that. Me say, him can't this sneaker, you know. Me say yesterday I say yes, say something bad about Mika now. Say something bad about Mika. Him can't this Mika, you know. Because if I this Mika, you come back homeless. That me a blood clot tell you. Don't you big up yourself. If you ever this Mika, you come back homeless. What me say? Shall you have to buy your blood clot food again? Mika can't buy no more weed. What me say again? I people gonna start buy your weed and blood clot food again. They can't blood clot stay there. Because nothing in there, you know. Not foreigner in your name, you know. Not foreigner in your name, you know. Oh. Not foreigner in your name, you know. The fuck you come talk about? This is entertainment. Entertainment this. You say you're a fucking idiot. If you say you're powerful, like how you say powerful, run a program, make Jamaica see, will make everybody laugh. Without you, I try tear down a next man. That is not entertainment, dog. And all and over you're so careless. What we call entertainment is breaking people and bringing up people past. That is not entertainment. That's why I can't watch a TikTok boss. Because TikTok boss now tear down people and him a run the app with entertainment. And when me want to laugh, I go over Rosalie, one she and Hakeem good. Because Rosalie up on the bike, my pants start hurt me. Me bumbo clot. When Rosalie go up on the bike, I laugh, you fuck. When Rosalie go up on the bike, my pants start hurt me to blood clot. I say, Hakeem, don't bend the corner. Don't bend the corner, Hakeem. Jesus Christ. When Rosalie go up on the bike, my pants start hurt me to blood clot. So me know when I scroll for laugh. Entertainment, I want me to do on here. I want them to come madness over there. Jaden too. Except the batty and soft pussy business. Me can't take it, Jaden. Me can't take it. Me can't take it. Me can't take it, Jaden. You understand? You are the only man come today because you want use Jaden brush and get a clout. Because Jaden have the money brush, you know. So you borrow Jaden brush to get views and clout and feel like say, oh, I'm the man again. I can start my life and diss anybody. And go suck your mother. Yo, the whole of the youths them usually rape the youth here. And the youth don't understand say and he make people rate him again. Yo, big man thing, you know. One time, when we just know World Dog, I saw me have to say, you know, World Dog, wow, I look up to the man, you know, I saw World Dog there now. Hand on me pile. Hand on me blood clot pile. Me look down by your hand on me pile. You don't have no more blood clot levels left. You don't have no more blood clot level in you. Hand on the pile there right now. You understand? You understand? You're the person about to take me up. Yo! Somebody said take me up. Yo!
My people, let me know what you think. We'll move on to the next.
Yo, I World Dog can't take him up to you. Yo, you know all you know when you're at? When you get shows and you get business. You know when you're at? When you have to tear down somebody else to be relevant. Me, not the live regular, become busy. Look on my page. Beer bookings, beer promotion, me a tour. So I don't have to kill up myself every day to come grab a 5 bills from the app. Become a brand, I have my talent, I'm a brand, and it'll feed me.
Mash. Nikki.
If anybody forgot to take HR from blood clot down there, TikTok boss. One thing that able say we can agree with. Them man they no need to bring down nobody. For being no fucking funny. Them man they just pan hilarious. You understand what I mean? So who is you now? You come over here and want to rake up havoc and start talk some bag of shit. Cause you're an informer. And I realize with you. You see, anytime you're a one man have it, anybody else who went there, you start putting for them business. But the student now see you. So he's a little old pussy. But me say, park your blood clot here in Florida, so cock. No. park your car in Florida and walk out of plaza and then we give back your crown pussy. Cause I want them tougher shot in your bum buckler. You can't even take shot and you have bad up blood clot, you have bad up yourself. One girl that go suck all for your mother. When you out your mama, I want alone you have as clown. Can't clown nobody else but man for drink, wash foot and drink water. Go suck out your mother, man. Never that. Never that. One bumbuckler HR to the app. No pussy. None. And you talk about the man girl like you have no quality girl, like you have no teacher. I know them the girl with DNT and stay so have morals catch up behind them. Eh? Your girl not no moral. I one thing then. From there say Yannick hear everybody. Florida match I say attack. And you feel like you never got trouble nobody girl? Man, get the fuck away from here, man. If you say the word one time, for you say, you know, Yannick, man, I'm gonna say, oh, where that girl, the Florida mattress, so him take up. And them their blood class sitting for you go like you're done with. Boy, go suck your mother, man. Last, I look so good boy, real dog, man. He like when I think bad and when I think want tough up and tough up and tough up. And I go some money can tough up on. Because as much as I see soft, you know, enough of them friend for him, you know. I don't know who friend for him, but it's not me. And I sure as hell, I want don't have to tell him about him blood class self. When don't have the day talk about, I that do some money, you know, I that do some money, you know. I that do some money, you know. No somehow no man, that the you pussy. Suck cock real dog, well like a girl them shoot them tongue in your body hole. He's a little undercover body boy. And you grow and you go like you want come use pin and poke. You poke the wrong man. You tell you park your car and walk in a Florida and see. You then come jaw with your blood clot. Me and my police. No. When the blood clot shot. Bust up your blood clot. Me you come in a man couple weeks after that. Lord, I love you. Bitch. When you push badness, you have it tough. He ate Swiss-Lee. Because he said Swiss-Lee was going to be bigger than him. Him no want nobody feel bigger than him. You feel do good but not better than real dog. Me I tell you, him feel like say him are the king for the blood clot place. When he just go around and use people, he's just a fucking user. Only thing that bad pon in my mind, in mind bad your fuck. Me I tell you the truth. Anything else a dirt, man. Boy mind corrupted. He's a corrupt boy. So only thing that bad about your pussy hole, nothing about you no bad man. Go suck your mother man. Dig up your mama man and yam mouth man. And I come back over here and talk about no bumbo clot HR and a blood clot. Eat boss alright man. Eat boss does is a hypocrite for a man and him a work for him thing. You know Jaden for what Jaden is. At least he no grow no corner and go be a hypocrite. Him be a hypocrite in your face. You understand? Yeah. You can't X all you want and go need a cloud chaser. Who for cloud we a chase? Cause I got my own. I shit back that man. I fi talk about when do for people. Me can't cuss. Me definitely cannot cuss Eat Boss. Because Eat Boss show you. Say him a hypocrite. And him just fuck with everybody business. I him that. He no hide. And I like where like yeah man, I'm glad for you man, and in my heart it a cut up. Because he no like no good for you. Me can't cuss blood clot. Me can't cuss Jaden. Other than he nasty, me can't cuss him. Yeah, you can't cuss him. And even when me say nasty, I don't like a something we hide. Until you say you don't feel like the girl that go work out for him because she make him bad. So that me I show you say dog no hide him life. And I like girl that go hide everything and go like him a top notch. Bumbleclot. You come bout for wash foot and drink water. Don't have play with you know man. Me say all him with a drop a conk in her head and bow. I that do you know, not uno. Say that do you pussy hole, I that do you suck good real dog. Give it to him straight and plain. Me no beat round bush, bro. Me no beat round bush. And you look all so good and minions them from X-Gang will come about. Cloud chaser, who we are chase cloud for? Cause I don't beg a dime on this shit. Me no make a dime, me no beg a dime, I don't give a fuck for crowd, nah none. Me will go help on my backup page because I want 5 smaddy over here. I don't give a fuck. But me I talk about World Dawg today and I don't mind the whole on the ear. Stay the fuck away from the bumbuckler HR. Stay the fuck away from the man. You hungry now, can you take money by house and sit and do what I do? You know, just come back good in and come play with some man. You come back now and stir up everything and then you talk with other people when in our vibes what you do right now. You add them in if you violate a one man. You add in.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. I'll make you watch some more.
Other people. You're a pussy. You're a pussy. And a long time they should have said you're a pussy. Can't go blood clot kill him and that them fi ask you. Can't go kill him. Go make trouble with people because it look like Joe would have day in a club and a relax. Now fuck with no man him a be eating juice or in a their yard. And you carry them out go make man kill them or you kill them for yourself. Because nobody know what happened. And them prison your pussy hole. Go batty blood clot boy and come out here and go like you a blood clot it. And go suck out your mother man. I don't know who flying for you, but in Florida, I live. I not flying for no boy. Remember, say heavy man have blood clot rights to carry something. And tough in your face if your blood clot cross the wrong part. So that me I tell you. I not flying for no boy. None. None, my dog. That's why I wonder why blood clot don't take. I make you chat off your mouth too much. And then I tell you, so, if anybody could have fuck out here, girl. No all the little virgin them will grow on you. Eh? Only if all the little man them will come on you and then come steer on your knee. If a side tack and go in a blood clot your knee case and go so sure that gone. You get a bitch, you get a whore, you get a heavy body blood clot possession. So you come out now and come blood clot pipe and down your knee, girl. At least down a girl, you know, so she do the OnlyFans something. And she dash out her pussy anyhow she want dash it out, but it open. And I like feel when we are hide and I play a housewife at daytime, but go fuck at night time. She claims she run to the store and she probably give somebody at the store to park up and hold the phone while she go fuck somebody. And them fuck her in the car. Remember say she not have no blood clot good name. You come out there and hey boy, go suck out your mama man. Go deep sea dive through your mother man. You ain't no fucking body. As me say, one bumbuckler HR. You couldn't be 2. And we don't want 3 and 4 round now. Real dog, you know, worth it. You don't deserve no HR position. Any other HR must stick that boss. Yeah, we can't give you no, bro. Because without people business, you're not relevant, bro. Without people business, and if you bring down few friend them, because you don't bring down the regular somebody, you know, you bring down your dog them apart with you. Anything where you do for them, if you feed them. Me not like Willie, but everything, all of Willie business, are you hear it out. All of your business, all of Willie business, are you hear out the man them business. At your business, are you hear it out. You can't have no friend. Yeah, pussy. All butter, everybody. Lelo, everybody business in put out them is a little pussy. I mean, I cap, bro. This boy no hurt no regular people when no know and when no suffer with him. He hurt every blood clot. I'll squash. I want him to know, brother. I want him and then lick off in crown, man. He chat too much. I want him a par one day and a man just pull up on him and do what he have to do. Because you want to look a pussy dog. You can't man then go kill them off and then you come back and come boy, you turn Christian. And oh, you are just 2 minutes. Go suck your mother. Go suck out your mama. Not no bad about it, just talk too much. I just big up in the father. All that man them business are you hear it out. Every man will ever par with you. Every man will ever par with you. Every man will ever par with World Dawg, him. Every man will ever par with World Dawg, are you hear out the man them business. If the man them have 10 girl, you come out and can talk. So the man them have 10 girl while they have them personal girl. And you know talk your own story. That's why I like. Me can't really stand blood clot able, you know. But you able come out this man and say, you see it? When you not kill blood clot, they near about Kill the nearbout when I do to Rochelle. In I see him, Brett, did a chat to Yannick, I did a fuck some junk girl one party. I did a fuck other people. We know this. We are pussy all and go, man. Every man will grow now, you bring out them business out there. Nobody never know about blood clot, Willie and Diamond until you start hear out them business. Because they will not take time to come out, you know. But you jump the gun. Me can't forget. Everybody business. I don't give him mother nothing. I feel your mama. I don't give him mother when you can give him. And if you want to give him girl more than when you give him mother, film blood clot the two of them. His mother create him, so his mother make him, so a family went born in. And him creating your own family over there, so with film girl. Me will give my girl more. My mother alright. Me give him sitting, so that means say me still care for him. I don't need to give him everything. And you come out and come hear the man them business and say you don't have no blood clot body around you. All you have is a sad front girl in your house where you can't even trust she. Because she go fuck a man with hate you and you come murder your blood clot. You want a little shit bag. You want a little shit bag. All you have enough for your house to glorify all fuck out Dolly. All you have a glorify called fuck out Dolly in your place. Fuck out Dolly where you have. The little fuck out Dolly where me see a glorify about. Oh, one thing that Yannick. The whole man then fuck out that. The whole man then fuck out that. Yannick could have take fuck on a banana tree. She ain't got no class. So you come over here and talk to blood clot people. Boy, I go eat shit, man. Fucking battery Dolly all mattress with Florida fling to the side and left him out the front for trash pick him up. And his a man pick him up can't go fuck him. And then put him a feed him doorway and the next man pick him up and can't go fuck him. I saw them a pass around donkey that blood clot. You come over here and go like a blood clot things. Well, your girl hide the fuck down the place. Talk to Yannick first, man. Talk to Beans. Talk to Mr. Beans in a girl farm. Talk to your blood clot, Miss Beans. With her ugly nose and her blood clot big guy them. When I tap tell her say, oh, watch the kids, I'm running to the store, gonna suck off a man within a car. That if you go watch. And Lord bumbo clot down a shit bag. Then girl, you could have left your woman and say,